There's a series of MONARCH phase 3 trials going on, combining the abemaciclib with letrozole first line versus letrozole alone. It's completed accrual, just waiting for results. And then second line fulvestrant with or without the abemaciclib. Now that one should be reporting quite soon. I'm not exactly sure when, but that one should be quite soon. So I think that should hopefully be the first registrational trial, and it would be very, very exciting to have that agent available. There's NeoMONARCH that has brought the abemaciclib into the preoperative setting. Looks very, very interesting. Really shuts down the cell cycle of these ER-positive cancers. And interestingly, in doing so, it increases the immune cell infiltrate into the breast cancers. Very, very interesting. Turning off that signaling through CDK4/6 with abemaciclib is increasing an immune infiltrate. Very, very interesting. Maybe part of the anti-tumor effectiveness of abemaciclib. And then there's also trials looking at trastuzumab with abemaciclib, because the HER2 positive cell lines clearly benefited a lot from abemaciclib, and there's very good safety data with CDK4/6 inhibitors and the trastuzumab. And so in the metastatic setting now, abemaciclib, trastuzumab, and fulvestrant are being combined in the metastatic setting in a randomized phase 2 trial, looking at abemaciclib and trastuzumab alone, with or without the fulvestrant, versus chemotherapy and trastuzumab, to see how abemaciclib can do as a later line option for patients who've already had had TDM1, for example. So a lot of work with and that's all the MONARCH series of trials, but we need the MONARCH study with fulvestrant to read out and hopefully be very strongly positive, so we can get that drug approved for patients. It's also being looked at in patients with brain metastasis as a single agent. Very, very, very exciting, and the preliminary data that I'm seeing in my patients looks very, very positive there with brain metastasis.